Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at the actual location of H. Rishabh Raj's newly launched residential project which is located at Bangur Nagar in Goregaon West. Well, ये है the actual location. I want you to quickly have a look at this 2.38 acres of land parcel. यहाँ पर बनने वाला है H. Rishabh Raj का new residential project. And you can see the neighborhood buildings as well. I want you to have a 360 look of this project. In this teaser, we will be talking about the below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discounts, offers and much more. So let's get started. But before that, do you know what is Housey? Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform जो directly connect करता है customers को with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price, यानी कि the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platform जहाँ पर अगर आप इंक्वायरी करते हैं तो आपके नंबर ढेर सारे ब्रोकर्स के साथ शेयर हो जाते हैं और उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता है, आपको बहुत सारे कॉल्स आने लगते हैं. वेल, लेट मी टेल यू दैट हाउसी एक ऐसा रियल एस्टेट प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पर लिस्टिंग करते हैं सीधा डेवलपर्स. तो यहाँ वहां जाना छोड़िए, बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद द डेवलपर थ्रू हाउसी. Now let's talk about the project overview. So as I already mentioned to you in the starting कि ये है the actual location of H. Rishabh Raj's new launch project in Bangur Nagar, Goregaon West. So let me tell you that ये project construct होने वाला है on 2.38 acres of land parcel जिसमें होने वाले हैं 4 towers and ground floor जो होने वाला है that is going to be retail. साथ ही साथ 3 level podium होने वाला है and there will be 18 residential floors having 2 and 3 BHK premium residences. अब बात करते हैं लोकेशन के बारे में. मैं आपको बता दूं that the location is in बांगुर नगर ऑफ लिंक रोड, गोरेगांव वेस्ट. यहाँ से हर चीज काफी इजी कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाती है. लेट मी टेल यू दैट लिंक रोड यहाँ से बस 100 मीटर्स में आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. साथ ही साथ डी मार्ट जो है 200 मीटर्स की डिस्टेंस पर है, यानी कि वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस. बांगुर नगर मेट्रो स्टेशन जो है 500 मीटर्स की दूरी पर है. साथ ही साथ गोरेगांव रेलवे स्टेशन जो है वो है अराउंड 1.8 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम द प्रोजेक्ट. अब बात करते हैं अमेनिटीज के बारे में. सो लेट मी टेल यू दैट प्रोजेक्ट में आपको मिलती है 40 प्लस लग्जरियस अमेनिटीज विद द लाइक्स ऑफ इंफिनिटी स्विमिंग पूल, जिम्नेजियम, किड्स प्ले एरिया, इंडोर गेम्स, मल्टीपर्पज कोर्ट as well as many more wonderful amenities. Now let's talk about the carpet area. So let me tell you that the project has 2 and 3 BHK premium apartments with 2 BHK in the range of 710 to 778 square feet usable carpet area, whereas 3 BHK के बारे में बात करें तो it is 940 square feet to 1275 square feet usable carpet area. And let me also tell you that जोड़ी options are also available. अब बात करते हैं booking process के बारे में. So let me tell you that the project booking window is now open. Clients can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete details and show the pricing and payment scheme. We'll also show you the actual location, and then if the client likes the project, then they can book by paying a token of rupees 5 lakhs. This token will have multiple benefits, exclusive launch discounts and offers. Well, सभी customers जो book करते हैं उन्हें मिलेंगे exclusive launch discounts and offers over and above the others. Unit allocation, customers can choose their respective apartments and then confirm the booking. Well, so this was a teaser overview of H. Rishabh Raj's newly launched residential project which is located off Link Road in Bangur Nagar, Goregaon West. If you have any queries related to the booking process, offers, launch discounts and much more, you can just click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing, teaser overview videos, subscribe to our channel Housey. So everyone, this was the teaser of H. Rishabh Raj's newly launched residential project which is located at Bangur Nagar in Goregaon West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.